If you own a black or dark color vehicle and wet glossy shine is what you're looking for, then the BLACKFIRE BlackICE Whiplash wax kit is for you. At the heart of this kit is BlackICE, a finishing wax that combines the benefits of carnauba wax and synthetic sealant into one unique product. BlackICE is formulated using carnauba wax, a well-known ingredient in the wax world, and color-charged Montan wax. Montan wax is what makes BlackICE special because this is the ingredient that is responsible for the mild, deep reflections that BlackICE creates on black and other dark colored cars. The wax also contains Wet Diamond Polymers for long-lasting protection. As with any non-abrasive wax, proper surface prep is key to the success with BlackICE. With this kit, we've included all the necessary BlackFire products to clean, prep, and maintain the finish. By using the BlackFire system to prep and maintain the finish, you can expect up to 5 months of paint protection from BlackICE. The best part about the kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.